Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to change username on Slack. To change your Slack username, first of all, open up the Slack application on your smartphone. Once you're inside the home page of Slack, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. Now click on Preferences. Inside Preferences, scroll down and tap on Account Settings. After you open up the account option, go ahead and scroll all the way down and tap on Expand right next to username. Your current username will be shown on the screen. Go ahead and change your username by erasing the current one and typing down the new one and click on Save. And just like that, you have successfully changed your username on Slack application. That's how you can easily change your display name or your username in Slack. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.